on payment voucher posting. The detailed operational procedure of making payment for cash conveyance charges, that is bus fare, auto fare, etc. For conveyance of cash from one post office to another post office and post office to bank and vice versa will be discussed now. For example, the head of account is conveyance of cash. The general ledger code for conveyance of cash is 3020631300. This code can be searched in the GL column through the searcher tab, or it can be entered manually also. Friends, can you guess the transaction type? Yes, you are right. It is an expenditure, hence it is charged under the respective cost center. Now let us see how this transaction will be posted in the Finance and Accounts application. First, log into the SAP application by using the user ID and password of the treasurer. Use the transaction code F-02 for voucher posting. Select the document date and posting date from the calendar. Select the document type as SK because it is a cash document. Select the company code DOPI, that is Department of Post, India. Select the currency rate INR, that is Indian rupees, and enter the document header text. It is optional. Select the first line posting key 40 and enter the general ledger code 3020631300. That is conveyance of cash, or select the GL code from the drill down searcher and press enter button to move into the next window. Enter the amount of conveyance charges in rupees in the amount column. Select the tax code V0 if the tax is not applicable, or select the applicable tax code from the searcher. Select or enter the cost ID, that is the profit center ID of the post office, and press enter key to continue. In the next line, select posting key 50 and enter the GL code 486710010, that is DOP cash. Press enter key to proceed to the next screen. Enter the amount of conveyance in the amount field. Remember to enter the same amount which was entered on the debit side, or enter star mark. Enter the post office ID under the profit center and press enter key to continue. Move the cursor to the top of the screen and under the heading documents, select simulate to check the correctness of the entries. The system shows two line entries with debit and credit entries as equal, and we can ensure the correctness once again. If the entries are satisfied, then click on post to post the entries. The document number showing in the system should be noted on the paid voucher. Friends, for non-migrated postal banking and MegaMesh transactions, the voucher posting will be done by following the above procedure. But the document type will be selected as PB for postal banking and PL for postal life insurance. Hope you have understood the voucher posting for expenditure head of account. Posting to the receipt head of account will be discussed in the next session. Thank you very much for watching the video.